everyone. We are here today at the Sunridge Community Clinic, one of our 6 Mosaic PCN clinics. I want to take a moment to recognize that it is our honor and privilege to provide care in the homeland of the Treaty 7 First Nations, including the Kainai, Siksika, Piikani, Tsuut'ina, and Stoney Nakoda, and the Métis Nation Region 3. In order to acknowledge and honor all Indigenous communities past, present, and future for their contributions to the rich culture of our diverse nation, we are so pleased to share that we have now installed these land recognition plaques at each of our sites. The plaques feature artwork by Indigenous artist Flora Johnson, who we worked with to create these beautiful installments. I want to thank Dr. Annalie Coakley for generously donating the original artwork. I'll close by saying thank you to our patients, physicians, and staff for your dedication to better health for all at Mosaic, and acknowledge all nations, Indigenous and non, who live, work, and play on this beautiful land.